Today I'll be cooking some marinated chicken breast marinated in Italian dressing on the griddle. The griddle is awesome. I've actually fallen in love with the griddle. First I thought that you can only cook pancakes and bacon on it, but you can cook just about anything on the griddle. So we've been marinating the chicken breast for about 3 hours. I'm about to drain off this marinade and go ahead and put some seasoning on it and get started. Nice and marinated. Gonna use this seasoning. I want to over season because I have to watch my salt intake. Add a little bit of onion powder. And parsley. Parsley is the bomb. Brings out the flavor in just about any meat. So what I did was went ahead and coated the griddle with oil before I turned it on because it's just easier to spread. If not, you turn it on, the oil tends to just flow to the corners of the griddle. I'm going to go ahead and place the chicken breast on. They were so thick, I actually cut them in half. I just don't like all that thick meat because I like for my meat to be seasoned all the way through. And if it's really thick, it basically just be seasoned like on the top and bottom, but not all the way through the meat. And it doesn't take that long. You don't want it to dry out. I have the griddle on about 300. I have a flip. Smells so good. What I like about the griddle, you can have it on a certain temperature, and when it gets to a certain temperature, it actually turns off for a few seconds, and then it heats back up and starts again. Time to flip again, and I think it's getting brown. All of the because of the marinade, it's kind of juicing up. But it just tells me that it's still going to be kind of tender and juicy. Now turn it down a little bit so it won't cook too fast. But it won't appear to be done when it's not done all the way through. But it's already brown. You can hear it slowing down. I'm actually going to get some of this juice on down to the dripping bowl. I probably shouldn't be using a metal spoon, but it doesn't seem to be causing any problem. Almost done. Another 2 more flips, and we'll be done. Thank you so much for watching.